I have QSpiders for software development course without having programming knowledge and no idea about development course. I have done by Python full stack developer in the reputed institute from QSpiders. Now I came here. Now I gained much knowledge in the required fields. I come from non-IT background. Now I learned the IT fields and I have been placed. Staffs are very friendly to all the students. My special thanks to Shravana Durga ma'am, Tamil Selvan sir, Nagaraj sir and Vandana ma'am. My Python classes were handled by Mr. Shravana Durga ma'am is very good at teaching students and understand their needs. Thanks to Mr. Tamil Selvan sir who taught me web technology by a pattern of thinking from a front-end developer view. My special thanks to HR team.